In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, just go into settings, scroll down and tap on password and security. Now you need to click on lock screen password and wait 5 seconds. Then choose continue in the pop-up. Now you need to select one of those password types, numeric, pattern or alphabetic, by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with pattern. If you change your mind, you can always click on use a different password type and select one of those options from here. I will stick to my pattern though. So now you need to enter your login method and finally repeat it. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by choosing add and following all of the instructions. I will go with cancel though, so now when I click on home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!